Hello everyone, in this video we're going to go through recursive sequences, and we're only going to do examples and we're only going to use the function notation for it. I saw from the other day that quite a few of you were having trouble with this, so hopefully this video will clear up any confusion. F1 means that this is the first term. The 3 means this is the output for the first term. In this formula, whatever the number is inside of that parentheses is the term that you're finding. So this does not mean f times 1. The 1 in the parentheses means that that is the first number. Because of that, whenever it just says n inside there, that means term n. And then here on the right side, when it has n minus 1, that means the term before n. N is just a number, so you're going to put some number in this one. You're going to put some number for n, and then over on the right side, you're going to use whatever the answer was for the number before n. So for example, for number 1, if f1 has the answer of 3, then f2, the formula that we use to find every answer after the first answer is 2 times f2 minus 1, and then we simplify. That means 2 times f1. Well, we know the answer for f1. f1 is this. We're going to plug in the answer we got for f1 down there. The answer was 3. So f2 is equal to 2 times 3. We used substitution. We knew the answer for f1, so we are going to throw that in and replace it. We're going to replace f1 with 3. Now all we have to do is do 2 times 3 to get 6. We need to go farther though. f3 equals 2 times f3 minus 1. Then we simplify what's inside the parentheses, 2 times f2, and we just got the answer for f2. The answer for f2 was 6. So we're going to replace f2 down here with the number 6. So we're going to do 2 times 6 to get f3. 2 times 6 makes 12. So f3 is equal to 12. I think we need to go farther though, because most of these on the right, they're talking about the 4th and the 5th term. f4 will equal 2 times f4 minus 1, which means f4 depends on f3. We're going to have to put f3's answer to find f4. f3's answer was 12. So then 2 times 12 makes 24 for f4. That means the 4th term's answer is 24. Which one says the 4th term? 4th term and 24. That's F. Number 1's answer is F. Let's do one that's similar, like number 4. This one says that f1 is 48. So then f2 will equal 1/2 of f2 minus 1, which is 1/2 of f1, and f1 was 48, so we just have to do 1/2 of 48 to get 24, and that's our answer for f2. Now we need to find f3. f3 is going to be equal to 1/2 of f2. I skipped the step of subtracting the 3 minus 1 because we already know that f2 is the one that comes before f3. 1/2 of whatever f2's answer was. f2, the answer was 24, so we're going to substitute that in. We're doing 1/2 of 24 to get f3, and that's going to give us 12. Let's see if any of these say f3 equals 12. They don't. But there is this one right here that says the second term is 24. Here we saw f2. f2 is equal to 24. So our answer for number 4 is C. That's how it works with multiplying. Let's do the ones that say adding or subtracting now. It says f1 is 48, so then f2 is going to take f1 and simply subtract 12 from it. That means 48 minus 12 will give us f2, which is 36. We're going to use that to find f3. f3 is f2 minus 12, and f2, the answer was 36, and we're going to subtract 12 from that to get 24. And that's the answer for f3. Does any of them say the third term? No. So we need to go farther. f4 will be f3 minus 12, which is 24 minus 12, which makes 12. A says the fourth term is 12. So number 5's answer is A. I want you to go through 2, 3, and 6, the ones that I didn't do, and go ahead and fix those and turn those in today. You also need to complete any other assignments for the day.